Welcome everyone. Today, we're going to talk about generative AI, a groundbreaking technology that is transforming the way we create and consume content. Since the inception of computers, they've functioned as advanced calculators, executing programmed instructions. However, an extraordinary evolution is underway. Computers are now acquiring the capacity to learn, reason, and communicate akin to humans. This transformation heralds the advent of generative AI, enabling computers to perform creative intellectual tasks previously reserved for humans. This technology, exemplified by products like ChatGPT, democratizes intelligence, rendering it accessible to all as a service akin to a vast, omnipotent brain in the sky. While not flawless, generative AI exhibits remarkable capabilities and is rapidly advancing. Its implications are profound, poised to impact individuals and businesses worldwide, both positively and negatively. This video aims to demystify generative AI beyond its hype, providing practical insights for individuals, teams, and companies to thrive in the AI era. Consider this metaphor and envision Einstein in your basamentan embodiment of collective human intelligence. Accessible at will, this virtual Einstein offers instant access to a wealth of knowledge and expertise, capable of assuming various roles. Yet, its effectiveness depends on prompt engineering, art of effective communication. Mastery of this skill is paramount in leveraging the full potential of generative AI. While the metaphor may seem whimsical, it underscores a fundamental truth. The true limitation lies in imagination and effective communication. Most people underestimate the capabilities of this virtual Einstein, akin to underutilizing the expertise of a world-class chef for menial tasks. As you interact with this virtual Einstein, you'll uncover myriad ways it can empower you or your organization. Now, let's dispel ambiguity and clarify key terms. Artificial intelligence (AI) encompasses fields like machine learning and computer vision, which have existed for decades. Traditional AI powers familiar applications like YouTube recommendations, web search results, and credit card transaction approvals. Generative AI represents a transformative leap, enabling computers to go beyond traditional AI tasks, ushering in a new era of innovation and possibility. Generative AI, as exemplified by models like ChatGPT, has revolutionized communication. By generating original content rather than simply classifying or finding existing content, these large language models employ the transformer architecture, exemplified by the T in GPT, to facilitate natural language communication. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, has democratized access to advanced AI technology, enabling anyone to interact with it without specialized expertise. But how does it function? At its core, a large language model operates as an artificial neural network, akin to the interconnected neurons in the human brain. In this neural network, numerical parameters are processed to generate responses. While neural networks inherently work with numbers, they can represent any type of content, including text or images, through numerical encoding. For instance, input such as "dogs are" is converted to numbers, processed by the model, and translated back into text. Essentially, large language models excel at predicting the next word in a sequence, enabling them to generate coherent responses. By iteratively combining generated output with additional input, these models can produce extended narratives or responses, as observed in ChatGPT conversations. The sophistication of these models lies in their vast parameter count, often numbering in the billions or trillions. However, setting these parameters manually is impractical. Instead, large language models are trained on massive datasets, akin to a child learning language through exposure to speech. During training, the model learns to predict the next word in a sequence. By analyzing vast amounts of text data, typically sourced from the internet, through repeated exposure and adjustment of parameters, the model gradually improves its predictive capabilities. Akin to a child, progressing from uttering individual words to constructing complete sentences. Generative AI, exemplified by large language models like ChatGPT, operates as sophisticated neural networks trained to generate original content through iterative learning from vast datasets. This iterative process of adjusting parameters based on feedback is known as backpropagation, a fundamental mechanism for model refinement. However, to truly excel in real-world applications, a model requires human training through reinforcement learning with human feedback. This entails extensive testing and evaluation by humans, akin to training a dog with a clicker to reinforce desired behaviors. Consequently, models like GPT are imbued with ethical considerations, ensuring they refrain from promoting harmful actions, despite possessing the capability to do so. Once training is complete, the model is predominantly frozen, except for occasional fine-tuning. This pre-trained state, denoted by the P in GPT, underscores the model's readiness for deployment. However, future advancements may enable models to engage in continuous learning beyond initial training and fine-tuning. While ChatGPT played a pivotal role in popularizing generative AI, it represents just one among many models proliferating in the field. These models vary significantly in terms of speed, capability, accessibility, and cost, catering to diverse needs and preferences. Some models are downloadable and locally runnable, while others are exclusively online. Additionally, models range from being free and open source to commercial products, with varying degrees of ease of use and specialization for specific use cases. It's worth noting that the quality and capabilities of these models differ substantially. For instance, the disparity between GPT 3.5 and GPT 4 is considerable. Moreover, there are different types of generative AI models designed for generating various types of content. Text-to-text models, such as GPT-4, excel in processing textual input and generating textual output, including natural language or structured information like code. This functionality proves invaluable for tasks like code generation, facilitating significant time savings and knowledge acquisition. Furthermore, there are models specialized in other domains, including text-to-image, image-to-image, image-to-text, speech-to-text, and text-to-audio. These models enable a wide array of applications, from generating images based on textual descriptions to transcribing speech and generating music from prompts. As the field of generative AI continues to evolve, the possibilities for creative expression and practical applications are boundless. Indeed, the advancements in AI technology are astonishing, with text-to-video models paving the way for potentially infinite movie series tailored to individual preferences. This prospect may seem daunting, reflecting the transformative potential of AI in entertainment. Another notable trend is the emergence of multimodal AI products, integrating various models into a single platform for seamless interaction with different types of data. The ChatGPT mobile app exemplifies this trend, enabling users to engage with text, images, and audio without switching tools. Highlight the practical utility of AI in problem solving and idea generation. This interactive approach fosters insightful discussions and facilitates structured feedback, enhancing productivity and creativity. The evolution of language models from simple word predictors to multifaceted entities capable of complex tasks underscores the rapid pace of AI development. These models exhibit emergent capabilities, surprising even their developers with their proficiency in diverse domains. From creative endeavors like writing poetry to practical applications such as coding assistants. Moreover, AI models like GPT-4 demonstrate a remarkable ability to grasp higher-level concepts, akin to human cognition. Despite not being explicitly trained on certain scenarios, these models can infer logical outcomes, showcasing a rudimentary understanding of complex relationships. The versatility of GPT-4 extends to practical domains like coding assistance, where its capabilities rival those of seasoned programmers. This underscores the transformative potential of AI in streamlining workflows and enhancing productivity across industries. In essence, the journey of AI development is characterized by continuous innovation and exploration, offering new avenues for creativity and problem solving. As AI technologies continue to evolve, they promise to revolutionize various facets of human endeavor, reshaping the way we work, learn, and interact with the world. The emergence of generative AI has revolutionized various aspects of human endeavor, from article writing to product design and workshop planning. For many, including myself, the utilization of AI has unlocked new levels of productivity and creativity across diverse domains. However, this transition wasn't without its challenges. Personally, I found that my effectiveness in leveraging AI technology was often hindered by my proficiency in crafting effective prompts. Recognizing the immense potential of this technology, I made a conscious decision to pivot my career focus towards mastering and teaching the art of prompt engineering. Stepping back to assess the broader implications, we find ourselves at a pivotal juncture in human history. Yet, with the advent of generative AI, computers have rapidly gained fluency in human languages and the ability to perform intellectual tasks previously reserved for humans. This convergence of human and artificial intelligence marks a profound shift in our societal landscape. While humans excel in certain domains, AI's capabilities are evolving exponentially, posing both opportunities and challenges. The rapid dissemination of AI technology presents a unique challenge. Unlike previous revolutions that unfolded over decades or centuries, today, new technology spreads globally almost instantaneously, necessitating swift adaptation from individuals and organizations alike. In navigating this transformative landscape, individuals and companies often adopt varying mindsets towards AI. Some succumb to denial, dismissing the potential of AI or failing to invest time in understanding its implications. Others fall prey to panic and despair, fearing job displacement or bankruptcy. However, I advocate for a balanced, positive mindset tone that acknowledges AI's potential to enhance productivity and drive innovation. Embracing AI as a tool for empowerment, individuals can unlock newfound efficiencies and accelerate learning. This mindset shift not only fosters personal growth, but also equips individuals and organizations to thrive amidst uncertainty. By embracing AI as a collaborative partner rather than a threat, we can harness its potential to shape a brighter future for ourselves and society as a whole. The integration of AI into various professions prompts a critical question. Are human roles still indispensable in the age of AI? While some jobs may indeed become obsolete, the majority still require human expertise. Domain knowledge remains paramount in determining how to utilize AI effectively, listening what questions to ask, how to frame prompts, and interpreting AI-generated outputs. Despite the remarkable capabilities of AI models, they are not infallible. They can exhibit brilliance, but also errors, occasionally providing misleading or inaccurate information. Thus, human judgment remains essential in discerning when to rely on AI responses, when to validate them independently, and ensuring compliance with legal and ethical standards. Moreover, human experts are instrumental in addressing the limitations of AI models, such as data security and legal compliance. By treating AI as a collaborative colleague, individuals can leverage its strengths while compensating for its weaknesses, akin to working alongside a brilliant yet idiosyncratic team member. In professions like medicine, law, and education, AI can augment human capabilities rather than replace them entirely. Doctors can utilize AI for diagnosing rare diseases, lawyers for legal research and contract review, and teachers for grading tests and providing personalized support to students. The synergy between human expertise and AI innovation unlocks unparalleled possibilities for productivity and efficiency. It's crucial to recognize the distinction between AI models and the products built upon them. While users interact with products, AI models operate behind the scenes, facilitated by APIs that enable seamless communication between code and the model. Developers can harness these models to create AI-powered features tailored to specific use cases, enriching user experiences and streamlining workflows. In essence, the collaboration between humans and AI presents the convergence of expertise and innovation, where the combination of both yields transformative outcomes. By embracing AI as a partner in problem-solving and decision-making, individuals and organizations can navigate the complexities of the digital age with confidence and ingenuity. Automating candidate evaluation is a prime example of utilizing AI. In product development, where the code itself is predominantly AI-generated. As a product developer, integrating AI models into products imbues them with intelligence, amplifying their capabilities significantly. However, effective utilization of generative AI hinges on mastering prompt engineering, crafting prompts that yield meaningful results from AI models. This skill is indispensable for both users and developers, facilitating the iterative refinement of prompts to achieve optimal outcomes. Various prompt engineering techniques exist, ranging from providing contextual information to prompting the AI to interview the user for necessary details. Mastery of prompt engineering not only enhances proficiency in AI interaction, but also cultivates effective communication skills. Looking ahead, the next frontier for generative AI lies in autonomous agents equipped with tools capable of independent operation. In this paradigm, prompt engineering assumes heightened importance, as the efficacy of autonomous agents hinges on the clarity and precision of mission statements. In summary, mastering prompt engineering empowers individuals to unlock the full potential of AI, fostering productivity, innovation, and effective decision-making. As AI continues to evolve, proficiency in prompt engineering will be increasingly indispensable, shaping the trajectory of AI-powered solutions in diverse domains. Generative AI emerges as a transformative tool with vast potential to benefit individuals, teams, and organizations significantly. Its true power transcends initial perceptions, with its limitations primarily constrained by the bounds of imagination and prompt engineering prowess. While mastering prompt engineering may seem daunting initially, embracing experimentation and incorporating it into daily routines fosters gradual improvement over time through deliberate practice. Understanding generative AI comprehensively can turn it from a perceived threat into a compelling opportunity, unlocking innovative possibilities and driving positive outcomes. Embracing this technology as an integral part of daily life facilitates organic learning and skill development, positioning individuals to harness its capabilities effectively. In essence, continual experimentation and dedication to honing prompt engineering skills pave the way for realizing the full potential of generative AI.